What's up, everybody? Today we're making butter garlic shrimp, and not only is this dish amazing, but it is super simple to make. So we're going to start off with 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Rinse them off after you devein them, pat it dry. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Dust that and mix it up. Let that sit while you get everything else ready. So in a cast iron skillet, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Get that melted, then add 1 shallot. Oh, look how good that looks. Get that nice and soft, about a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add the shrimp. You're going to hear a good sizzle, or you should hear a good sizzle when you add that to the pan. Now this shrimp won't take very long to cook. Once it cooks for about 2 minutes, I'd flip it over. Get a nice little crust on there. Proteins in the shrimp are going to brown. Add another tablespoon of butter to get that garlic added and start absorbing flavor in that as well. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup. Now I use the same bowl as my garlic, so you see that floating around. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, or a wine sauce, like a wine to make a sauce out of. I chose chicken broth because wine tends to, when you cook it down, it has a stronger flavor. Oh, look how good that looks, and it smells even better. But as it cooks, probably 3 or 4 minutes, it's going to cook down. I'm going to zest a lemon. Then roll that lemon around to get the juices going. Cut it in half, and we're going to squeeze 1/2 of the lemon into the pot, like so. Give that a good mix. Going to add some parsley as a garnish, and it's pretty much done. Shrimp does not take long to cook, so getting everything, once this starts, it tends to move pretty quick. And I hope you enjoy. If you like this recipe, please follow me at the Cajun Chef on YouTube. Or if you're watching it on YouTube, just like and subscribe. And have a blessed day. Thank you.